Hello everyone, my name is Norio Kobayashi. I am a product specialist of HORIBA. Today I will give you a quick sales guide for the PG 300 suites, which is portable gas analyzer. PG 300 is small SEMS analyzer following EPA reference method. This is the only one analyzer which has CheminoX, NDIR, SO2, CO, CO2, and the three types of O2 analyzer. It can measure up to 5 parameters, and since it is so unique, still so many users are not aware of it. So I need your help to expose it to the market. Today, I am going to cover the following contents: overview of the portable gas analyzer, and the target customers, and applications and functions. Overview of portable gas analyzer. PG300 is developed for spot measurement anywhere. You can measure up to 5 parameters: NOx, CO, CO2, SO2, O2. Also, there is the sampling system in this compact body, and always customer surprise when I tell them, PG contains a pump, scrubber, and thermal cooler, and also filter, NOx converter, ozone generator, ozone deozonator. Everything is packed in this small body. That will surprise the customer. And the next question is always the same. Hey, how much is it? And you can tell this, another surprise, it's going to be $30,000. So because user understand, the regular SEMS cost you about $80,000 to $100,000. If it's Craftsman Div 2, it's going to be $120,000. So as you can see, this is small SEMS and small compact, and the sampling system built in, and the price is extremely reasonable. That's the first phrase you can pull the interest from the customer. In front, there is a touch panel display, very user-friendly, and on the back side, you can see a calibration gas inlet, sample gas inlet, 4 to 20 milliampere analog output Ethernet connections. Also, don't forget you have a SD card slot too, so you can capture the screenshot and even log the measurement data. So every function you need is there. You have a touch panel display, you can manipulate and arrange things like that, and also you have the necessary outputs. Target customers will be all of the SEMS users because the PG is going to be the backup unit for all of the SEMS unit. Also, PG can be used as the radar device. So all of stack testers are your customer. For example, stack testers, when you look up the website, you can find stack tester near me, and it could be a Medco, Alliance, Golden Specialties, Montrose, Earthworks. There's a lot of stack testers. Okay, let's talk about how to use it as a backup unit. So this is one of the easiest application. Just take a T fitting after the existing sample system. So take a sample off and feed it into the PG. Since the normal sample system has already sampling system with a cooler unit, pump, and the filters, things like that. So the outlet of the sample system is already clean enough and dry enough. So basically, after the sample system, the sample gas is ready to feed into the PG. Also, you can use 4 to 20 milliampere analog output, or Ethernet port to the PC directly, or even you can log the data through the SD card. All of the data you logged into the SD card is saved as a CSV file. So you can open that file into the the computer. So let's talk about the application for the stack testers. So basically, stack tester comes to the plant and to validate their SIMS is working properly. The SIMS owner needs to report that shows the SIMS passed, and it's called RATA, Relative Accuracy Test Audit. For this validation, stack tester needs to provide same configuration as SIMS to compare. So you will need a probe, you will need heating bundle tubing, and external sample system. Since PG is very compact and has sample system inside, but its capacity is limited. We have external sampling system to expand that capacity. If the sample gas contains more than 7% moisture, please think about to use PS300. This is external cooler, and also this PS300 contains much powerful pump built in, so you can pull the sample up to 150 foot. Drain pot will help to drop the moisture, especially if you need to measure the gas continuously. It would be better to have a drain pot. This will help to keep sampling cooler healthy. HORIBA can provide heating bundle tubing and probe and the temperature controller, stuff like that. So let us know how we can help to provide the quote. Let's summarize the spec of the PG. Remember, the PG300, the sample line length need to be less than 30 foot, and the moisture level need to be lower than 7%. If the condition is above that number, you will need the PS300. PS300 spec is the sample line length need to be less than 150 foot. Moisture level needs to be lower than 20%. PG has only 3 consumable parts. See the back side. This is a mist catcher, the scrubber, and air filter. Customer can replace the mist catcher scrubber every 3 months and the air filter every 2 weeks. This is based on the assumption you use PG for 8 hours a day and 5 days a week. But you don't know how many hours actually you have used them for. PG has the great smart function. If you go to this page, you can see how many hours you have used. For example, these parts can be used for up to 2,900 hours. You have already been using this for, this much hour. So if time comes, PG will tell you, hey, it's time to replace it. When you have something wrong, you can find what's going on through this alarm icon. This will tell you overview of the problem, possible impact of problem, possible cause, and action you can take. When you look at the book icon, you can find the manual. Each page has each explanation. So you always go with the manual. You never get lost. Changing range is very easy. Please see the range on the right. Once you touch it, then you can select from ranges provided. Calibration. Go through this calc button, take you to the calc mode, enter your calc gas concentration, and execute calibration. That's it. Make sure you connect the calc gas with the line. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help your sales activity. So let's try to expand our business better.